Hi guys, myself Prachiti Namdevgaikar. I am third year IT engineering student. So today I am presenting Webstack internship project. So now let's begin it. So let's just discuss about the overview. What is the full stack development? Full stack development includes front end, back end, database technologies. So in these internships, I understand all these basic fundamentals in an easy way. It also improves my technical skills and it also guides me towards my future career path in the IT field. So next is goals of internship. First one, to learn modern tools and technologies, frameworks, Munstack used in web development. Second one is to build the practical project and work on it to enhance the full stack development skills. Third one is to understand how front end and back end technologies work together in web application. So next is project requirements. So what is the basic project requirements? The technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Node.js and MongoDB is required to develop the full stack music player applications. Also, the understanding of database management and API calls are important for managing the application smoothly. So the next is MERN stacks. What is the MERN stack? MERN stack is used to develop the full stack web applications by connecting front end, back end, and database. The MERN stack is the short form of MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. React.js is used for front-end design, Express.js and Node.js are used for back-end operations, and MongoDB is used to store application data for smooth functioning of the system. So next is architecture and design. Basically, it is a full stack music player application which has user friendly interface. It has dashboard which includes home page, search button, favorites section, profile section which includes setting for editing profile, songs playlist, play pause button, favorite button, shuffle button, loop button, playback speed button, logout button appears when we are already logged in into the website. There are various control options for smooth playback and simple clear UI, easy for users to manage and play music. So next is implementation. The music player application was implemented by creative design, features to interact with user, well developed, integrated and tested all things carefully to run it smoothly. The system manages song information and user activities for proper functioning. The basic concepts we have learned from these internships like how to use CSS in HTML for front-end design, how to use JavaScript functions, libraries, how to connect the code by port in MongoDB, which will use to store the user data in it, how to manage different requests like GET, POST, etc. in Postman, also use of Redux, Mailtrap, Gemendo applications. All this together we are going to implement in our project. So let's move forward to our main project code. So this is my full stack music player project developed using Munstack. In this project, users can sign up, log in, search song, play music, like songs and manage their profile. So this project is divided into front end and back end. So here let's start with the back end. In back end, in models folder, here it contains MongoDB schemas. It defines how data like username, email, password, avatar, also the favorites is stored in the database. Then see in the routes, here it contains the API routes and requesters. These routes decide what happens when the front end sends a request. So let's see in a controllers. In controllers, it contains the actual logic of the project. When a route is called, the controller performs the operation. So in middleware folder, here we can see it is used for authentication and security. It checks whether the user is logged in or not. So here we can see. So next is index.js. So in index.js, it is the main backend file. Here we can see it connects the MongoDB, then front-end URL, and then use routes and start the server using port. So here backend is finished. Let's move to the front end. So front end is the user interface of the project. It built using the React. So src, see here, it is the main React folder where all front end code is written. So in this folder, here we can see components. It contains the all reusable UI components. It handles all the music player components. Here we can see dot css. So it all contains the css files. Okay, then here the next is hooks. In hooks folder, here we can see user layer.js. This file, it contains the all functionalities like loading, play, pause, mute, unmute, set volume, toggle loop, toggle shuffle, set playback speed, set current track, set current time, etc. by default functionalities. So in pages folder, here we can see home page. In home page, it contains the one screen of the application. Then in Redux, so Redux is used for global state management. It stores user data, current song, play state, etc. So data is not lost when switching pages. So that's it. And here see, this is the main React file where routing is defined. Okay. Then important features of front end like authentication, users can register and login password are securely stored and user authentication handled using backend APIs. Also search songs, like users can search song using search bar. The front end sends the search query to the backend and backend returns matching songs. Then we can say users can play, pause, skip, shuffle, and loop songs. Music player state is managed using front end. Also, we can like song, access them later in favorite section, etc. Also, users can update the profile details like name, password, email address, etc. So that's overall the front end. So now let's begin our project implementation. So here firstly we have to run our front end and back end. So see here our front end is run successfully. Now back end. As you can see here, restarting index.js. So see here, our backend is run successfully. Server is running on port 5000 and MongoDB connected successfully. Okay, now let's go to our website. So click here. So our website is running on localhost 5173. So this is how our project looks like. As we can see here, various song playlists like workout, chill, happy, relaxing, rock, etc. Now let's sign up first. Click here. Here we can create an account. Here we have to fill details like name, email, password. Here you can add profile picture also. Okay. So then hit sign up button to submit it. Here we can see, do you already have an account? If we click on this, it will redirect us to the login page. And see here, don't have an account, sign up. If we click on this, it will redirect us back to the sign up page. So now let's fill our details. So first one is name. Here I put Prachiti Gaikar. Then email ID. Okay, then password will be 123123. Okay, see, my password is 123123. Now let's sign up. Here we successfully create an account. Here our name appears. Okay, so now see here, it is the home button for home page. Then this is the search button. Here we can search any song, like if we are doing workout, then we can listen workout songs. See here, searching. See here, if we want to just chill, then we can listen chill songs. See this. Okay, now let's return to our home page. Okay, here play one song. I'm playing Trio HXC. Okay, play this song. This is the play pause button. Okay, and we can control the songs. We can play or pause anytime. So here you can hear the song. Okay, let's pause it. Okay, so now see these buttons. This is for previous song and this is for next song. Okay, so this is favorite button. Here we can add any song to favorite, or we can unfavorite it anytime. Okay, so when I click this, it will add it to my favorite. Okay, so now let's see here in favorite section, the song is added. If we click it again, then it will be unfavorite or remove from favorite section. Okay, now let's click it again. Here it appears on. So okay, that's it. Then see here, it is mute button. If we click it, then the song will be mute, and if we double click it, then song will be unmute. So now let's see this. See here, play the song. Okay, here mute, unmute, mute it, unmute it. Here, as we can see here, okay, so here we can adjust the frequency of the sound by just sliding it. Okay, so this is the shuffle button. So if we click this, then we have to click here. Just okay. So this song is playing on second position. Okay, then it shuffle. So we can shuffle the playlist so it will be play in random order. Okay, so just try it again. Now it goes to third position. Now let's see. The shuffle mode is on. Now it's going on ninth position. Here you can see. Okay, let's try the shuffle again. Let's see how it works. So now it goes on fifth position. Here you can see. Okay, now let's just pause it. Then loop button. We can play any one song on loop. So now see how it works. Let's play this song. Okay, now it will play on loop. Now see. Okay, let's see this again. So same song is playing again and again. Okay, pause it. Okay, now see here, it's to adjust the playback speed of the song. Now play it and change the speed. It's on 1x, it's on 0.75x. Change. Now it's on 1.25x. Now it's on 1.5x. Now it's on 2x. Okay, now it's on 1x. Okay, so now let's edit our profile. Pause this. Okay, so now let's edit our profile. Go to the settings. Here I change my name to keep it Prachiti only. Then email, I remove this 25. Okay, change password. Here my password is 123123. It's my current password. Okay, so here my new password will be 456456. Okay, so now let's save the changes. It's saving. So as now you can see the profile name had changed. Okay, so see here, this is the logout button. If we click on this, we will log out. Okay, so that's it. See here, it is the login button. If we click on this, here login page appears. Okay, so here we are going to check the forget password functionality. So click on this. Okay, so our register email is png @gmail.com. Okay, so now click on this, send the recent link. Okay, it's sending the recent link. So wait for the moment, wait for some moment. Okay, so see here, recent link sent, check your email. So now let's go on mail trap. So see here, mail trap. Okay, so go to the account. So see here, now go to the sandboxes, then go to the settings. Okay, so now see here, reset your password email. So click on this. Now see here, password reset message appears. Click on the link below to reset your password. This link expires in 10 minutes. Okay, so now click on this. So see here, reset password page appears. Enter your new password to regain access. Okay, so new password will be 123456. Okay, so see, 123456. Okay, now reset password. So see here, password reset successfully, redirecting. Okay, now go to the login page. Here add details. Okay, so our password. Okay, now login. Okay, so see here, we are successfully login. So that's the overall implementation of the project. Just log out. Okay. Hi, I am extremely sorry. I am not able to record myself with the presentation, so that's why I am making this video for identification purpose. My camera and voice are not syncing along, and even I tried to edit it, it's not working properly. In the last part, I tried to remove that watermark, but it makes the video blur. So hope you understand. So our last part is conclusion. The full stack music player project helped in understanding the complete web development process. It improved my practical knowledge and confidence in working with real-time projects. The project was successfully developed and provided valuable learning experience in full stack development. Thank you, Webstack Academy, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I am truly grateful for the valuable learning experience and guidance provided throughout the program. Special thanks to our mentor for their continuous support, motivation, and practical teaching approach, which helped me improve my technical and professional skills. This experience has enhanced my knowledge, boosted my confidence, and contributed positively to my career growth. I sincerely appreciate the supportive learning environment and look forward to applying these skills in my future journey. Thank you once again.